Boom. And Otis is running for the rev, and he's making it to first. Boom. Wow. And everybody's safe. Uh-oh. Wow. It is so out there. Oh my goodness. That was Gary at bat. And nice way for Gary to start here. Oh, he's going for 30. Yay. And he made it. Woo! Oh boy, that's an overthrow. He gets a base. Got through.
Good job, Tim.
It's down. And that loads up the bases. Boom. Way out there. Run, Paul. He made it. He's fine. And that's 5. This is Kent. Nice hit. Oh.
Thanks, Bobby. You got a runner.
Oh boy. He got it. Gary caught that. This is Alan. He's a pool player. It's down. Okay, loads up the bases. Boom. Got to second, and it's out at second. And it brought in a run. This is Jeff. And oh boy, it's over his head. He fell down. Uh-oh. Okay, got one in. Boom. Oh, got by. Oh boy, this is going to do some damage. Here comes somebody. Okay, coming in. He made it.
Come on, you got to run. Fair ball. Fair ball. Right here.
Good stop. Out at third. Top of the second. Parrots have the lead. Score is 5-3. Oh boy, got past Kent. That doesn't usually happen. Okay. Boom. It's down. One guy coming in, and man on first and second. Full count. It's down. Out at second. Out at first. Oh boy. Wow. Out at second. Boom. Oh, found a hole. Oh, good stop. Out at second. Oh, boy. Oh, nice one. Okay, let's see what happens here. Oh. Boom. Whoa, nice stop by John. And out at third. Dick Ives, real powerhouse.
That's in there. Come
And it's a fair ball. Oh boy, oh boy. Here comes Kent.
You got to run.
Boom.
Oh,
That's a hit. Oh, look at that hit. One and two.
Come on, Dickie. Come on, Dickie.
Oh boy.
Score, Dick. Come on.
He's going to go for it. I can tell he's going for it. Woo-wee.
Come, Dickie. Come, Dickie. Yeah.
He made
boy,
it.
Dickie.
Oh.
Jack, good spot, Jack.
Top of the third. The score is 8-6. Parrots in the lead, but this is still a game. Let's see what happens. Oh man, that's Gary. Oh, that is so out there. And here comes Gary. Here he goes. He can move, he can hit, and he's gonna not go for it. Oh. That's Kevin. Good hit. Fair ball. Bringing Gary in, and Kevin's making it to first. Boom. Oh, it's way out there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But it's stopping, which is a good sign in this field. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Tim's going to run him down. It's going to be a home run for Tim. Woohoo! Wow. It's down. And Jack makes it to first. Oh, whoa, look at that ball go. Nice stop by Kent, and didn't do too much damage. And that is Take a Walk. Go, 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 go. Oh, and he's out at third. Oh boy. Fair ball.
Oh, you rascal.
3-1.
He caught it, but he dropped it. Uh-oh. Oh, that got through. Oh boy, that got through. And everyone's holding up. Boom. And out at second. Uh-oh, that got through. Bringing in a run. And that's it. Let's take a walk.
Yeah! All right, all right. Go ahead. I'm sending. I don't care. I'm sending.
Bringing in a run. And out at third. Top of the fifth. The score now is 12-9. The Parrots still have that lead.
Nice.
Nice hit.
Got to be two. No, maybe not. Maybe not.
Well, nobody's covered second.
Uh-oh. He made it. Oh boy. Whoa, what a stop by Jeff. Everyone's... Paul, nice hit. Oh boy, right where there was nobody. So here comes
This is going to be
Tim.
a lot of bases.
Yeah.
Here.
Come on, Jack. You
I
gotta
think
keep
Jack's
going,
gonna
man.
make it too. Woohoo! Let's go, kids.
It's going to get there. It's gonna get there.
I think Paul's gonna stop. Oh boy.
It's in there.
Go, go, go. Bringing in a run. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hold it, Dickie. Hold it.
Oh, he dropped it. Yikes. Oh, my goodness. Out at third.
Dropping.
It
Go,
dropped.
go, everybody, go.
Bases are loaded.
That's good.
And Alan caught it. Oh boy. And he made it safe, and this is 4. Whoa! Oh boy! And here it is, bringing in run number 5. Good stop. Uh-oh.
Take you two.
Oh.
Greg.
Oh, good stop. Out at second. Safe at first. And that brought in a run, first and second. Oh boy. Quite a hit.
Yeah, all right.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Fair ball.
Oh,
Yeah,
he made it. Good job.
Break on that. In for the hit. In for the hit. In for the hit.
Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Alan, how to hit the ball, kid.
In for the hit. In for the hit. Throw to third. You're in. You're in.
On the base. Nice job, Dickie.
Whoa.
Nice.
Home. Out.
Where you go, Jeff? Or you will not. Run it out.
Squibbler, squibbler, squibbler.
Out.
Way to go.
Top of the sixth. The score is 17-13. Parrots are in the lead, but boy, the 5Cs chipped away at it that last inning. Oh boy.
Wow. You're good. Oh my gosh.
Let's get three, let's get three.
Forever and ever that ball's
arm,
going.
yeah.
And he's so fast too.
Make it throw.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Jim doesn't need it.
He's gonna go. No, he's not gonna go. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh, Gary came in and Kevin made it to first. Oh, wow.
Go, go, Kev, go, Kev.
Oh my. He caught it. Oh my. It's down. Uh-oh, uh-oh. And out at third.
Second, third.
One scores, though.
Oh, wow, what a hit.
Go ahead, Paul, all the way, all the way.
It's gonna bring Paul in.
Good job, buddy. You're good, you're good.
All right.
Take your time.
Oh boy.
That's a problem.
That's gonna fall.
John, you can score if you
It's
want.
down.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, sure do.
He's gonna come for it. John's coming in.
Get out of the way. Step out of the way.
Like I said.
Okay.
It would be three.
I'm three, I'm sorry, 5 and 3.
That math thing.
Why is he going?
There it is.
Anyway, there you go.
Okay. Yeah.
An hour.
Oh boy. Wow. And out at first. Nice play. Oh boy.
Out.
Wow. What a play. Nice job. Boom. Is he going to do it again? I think he did. That was 3 in a row.
Nice pass.
All right. Missed it. But what happened there, Jeff?
The young lady fielded the ball through first.
Wow. And it was an out.
Yes, it was.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
And that's a catch. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Got through. Whoa, he broke the streak. And there goes Kent. That's pretty amazing. The Parrots scored 5 outs in a row. Boom. Okay, Dick is a powerhouse. Let's see what happens. And he out there. Okay. Here they go. Okay, that's 1 down, or 1 in, rather. Oh boy. Oh, that's out there. Oh, so let's see. This is number 2.
That ball keeps rolling.
Yeah, the ball keeps rolling out there. Yeah, oh boy. Okay. Okay. It's stopped and it's out. And that's the game. That was a double inning. And there they go. Always happy to have played the game. The boys of summer. Mr. Umpser, what is the final score?
6, 9, and 4 is 13.
Wow, 24 to 13.
Hot damn, we're good.
What'd you say?
Goodness gracious, we're good.
Okay. Talk to the crowd,
I'll
Rev.
tell you, what a team. We're coming together. Outfield catchers like you would not believe.
Yay!
Hitting, we are caw-caw.
Caw-caw.